Hey, Arcade1up is here with another quick Arcade1 update. So I think I jumped the gun when I made my video yesterday about the shipping of the new control panel, because not even 24 hours have passed and Arcade1up sent me another email, and it was just talking about how products are received in the warehouse and then what needs to happen for them to ship out. I totally understand that. I am in retail, so I understand what they're saying is actually correct. So I'll give them benefit of a doubt. But they did send me a tracking number. So Monday I should have my brand new control panel, and then I will do an unboxing, and then I'll actually make another quick video if anyone's interested on how I put the Mylar onto the control panel. If you want to spray it with whatever you want to spray it with, you can do that too. But this is actually working really good, and it does its job. So anyway, so that's just a quick update, and you'll be seeing a video from me Monday night or Tuesday morning. Alright, Arcade1up is out.